believe it or not, but 10 minutes ago, this was a frizzy mess.
Cute.
What's up, bitch? It's Shelly. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, what's up? I'm Shelly. Welcome to my channel. So a lot of people always ask me if I curl my hair every day, and the answer to that is no way. I am way too lazy to re-curl my hair every single day, but I have learned a cute little technique that can revive my curls in under 10 minutes. So if you guys are rocking frizzy, messy, second day, third day, heck, fifth day curls right now, and you want to learn my 10-minute, honestly it takes me 5. You want to learn my 5 to 10 minute technique on how to revive your curls and make them look cute, go ahead and watch the rest of this video. But of course, before I share with you guys my most guarded beauty secret, don't forget to click subscribe and turn on post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So now let's go. Let's just get into it. So as you guys can see, the curls are still kind of left from yesterday, more so on this side than this side, but it has also dropped a lot compared to what it was yesterday. My curls were a little bit tighter, they're a little bit more lifted, and they're just a little bit more flat and like wavy today. So because of that and the fact that I don't want to have to spend the time to re-curl all of my hair, I'm gonna go for a bigger barrel for the wand and a more subtle wave just to kind of match these curls as they are now. If you guys have watched any of my other hair curling videos, you know that I will be using the Irresistible Me 8-in-1 Sapphire Curling Wand. This basically comes with 8 different attachment wands, so you can do any curl you can possibly think of. I used this to curl my hair yesterday, and I'm just going to use the bigger barrel today to fix it. If you guys want to know more about this curling wand and how you guys can get it, I will link that all in the description box down below. I have a link, and I also do have a 20% off discount code for you guys. Honestly, this is the only curling wand that I use. I've been using it on this channel for like 2.5 years now, and I stand by this bitch. So yesterday I used the 19mm attachment head. Today I'm going to be using the 25mm attachment wand, and you just pop it in like that, and then you just twist it and lock, and there you go. And when you turn it on, it starts at 370, but I actually want to lower my heat to about, I'm gonna say like 290. That's gonna prevent my hair from like, what was that? It's gonna prevent my hair from like really curling, and it's just going to kind of mimic this wave, because my whole goal here is to mimic this. Alright, so the light is officially green, which means it is hot, it is ready to go. I'm just going to split my hair down the middle, and I'm going to focus on this side. So as you guys can see, this side is pretty flat compared to the other side, but we just want to add a little bit of a wave to it. So I'm just going to kind of focus on this top part of my hair, and I'm going to just kind of toss this back for now, and I'm just going to focus on this. Then I'm going to take about 1.5 inch section like this. So starting from the back, I'm going to curl this away from my face, leaving about 3 to 4 inches away from my scalp. And I'm going to hold this here for about 5 to 7 seconds, I would say. And then I'm going to let it go into my palm, and I'm going to hold it like this just to make sure that it cools down, and then it's going to look like that. Ooh. Then I'm going to go ahead and pull another section. I'm working my way from back to front. So same thing, 3 to 4 inches away from the scalp, wrap it around the barrel, hold it there for like 5 to 7 seconds, and then I'm going to catch it in my hand, let it rest. This is just going to help it hold its curl while it's still cooling down. So now I'm going to do the last frontal section, the same as I did the other two, and then catch it in my hand. Okay, so I finished curling the entire top of this half of my hair, but I also want to focus on the frontal part, which means I want to grab a section from right around my ear area, because this is my facial framing hair, and I also want to re-curl this. That way, like, the top and the front of my hair looks good. Alright, so now that I've curled the top and the front part of my hair, I'm going to pull everything back to the front. So as you guys can see, we brought some curls back to it. I personally feel like it's a little bit too curly because I don't want to have to re-curl all of this under here. So I'm going to take my brush, and I'm just going to brush through those curls that I just put in. And then the last thing that I do, because I have pretty thin hair, is I just grab a section from the bottom and I literally just curl like the ends of it. That way it blends in a little bit better with the top part of my hair. So I don't bring this at all close to the scalp. I just curl the ends. That way the ends look a little bit more blended. Then I give my hair like a little shake and there you go. That's pretty much how I resurrect my second day hair. So this is yesterday and then this is about like 3 minutes of today. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and speed through this half so you guys can just kind of watch how I do it without me explaining, because maybe you're just a visual learner. And then we will come back and talk about frizz products that I use. Explanation and then watching the speed through, you guys could see how I did it, but this is what my hair ends up looking like after I just kind of give it a quick little 5-minute zhuzh. Honestly, when I wake up in the morning or when I'm like about to leave and I fix it, I just really quickly pop on this curling wand, whip my hair in it. Takes about 5 minutes and then I'm out the door. Now the last thing I do on some days, because sometimes my hair ends up really dull or it ends up really frizzy, I like to add a couple of products. So one of this is the Ouai. How do you pronounce this brand? Someone tell me the Ouai. Anyway, this is the hair and body shine mist. So I like to apply this just to the bottom half of my hair because it is a shine spray and it gives it just adds a little bit of life back into the hair, makes it look a little bit cleaner than it actually is. And then the other product I like to use is the Living Proof Instant Defrizzer. This stuff smells so good and it actually really softens your hair, and by the 3rd day, my hair tends to feel really brittle, so I love that this really softens it up. That's it. That's all you need. At this point, I don't like to brush through my hair. I kind of just shake it and like finger comb down the top, but I don't like to actually like full on like brush it. Yeah, and there it is. So now I just have a nice, subtle, kind of beachy, loose wave curl. Took me no time at all, and I honestly do this all the time.